Let's talk Copenhagen. Copenhagen's one of the greenest cities in the world, with plans to be carbon neutral by 2025. It's cut its emissions by nearly a third through solar and wind power. Tivoli Gardens, Copenhagen's famous amusement park, served as inspiration for Disneyland. When Walt Disney visited in 1951, he took strict notes on the rides and the food. One of the most popular tourist attractions in the city, the Little Mermaid statue, has been decapitated twice, covered in graffiti, and even had its arm sawed off. It's kind of messed up. Noma in Copenhagen was voted the best restaurant in the world. In Denmark, it rains every second day. That's rough. Copenhagen's airport was recently rated the most efficient for the 14th time. For context, the award has only been given out for 16 years. There is a city within a city in Copenhagen. Freetown, Christiania has about 1,000 residents and does not pay taxes. Freetown indeed. Copenhagen is known for testing smart technologies in the city with a strong focus on climate change and green initiatives. Data is open and available, making Copenhagen a smart city frontrunner. Hit follow for more videos on how different cities are using technology to become smarter.